Which city has launched the Tatpar scheme to transport the migrant workers? Patna, Ranchi, Cuttack, Jamshedpur. Here the correct answer is Ranchi, which is the capital of Jharkhand. So Ranchi city has launched the Tatpar scheme to transport the migrant workers. And Tatpar means always at your service. So it has been started by the Ranchi police. And Ranchi capital is Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. And who is the chief minister for this time? Hemant Soren. Hemant Soren is the chief minister of Jharkhand, and his party name is Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. And Draupadi Murmu is the governor for the SAM. And recently, Chief Minister Hemant Soren has been awarded the Champions of Change Award by the former President Pranab Mukherjee on 20 Jan 2020. And Arjun Munda, who comes under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, and his constituency in Khundi, has become the new President of Archery Association of India. And one more city, talking about the city, one more city of Jharkhand, Jharia. Jharia, which comes under the Dhanbad district, that means the Jharkhand, Jharia is the most polluted city by the Greenpeace India report. That means according to the Greenpeace India report, Jharkhand, Jharia is the most polluted Indian city has been declared. Center's Ayushman Bharat scheme has crossed the milestone of how many beneficiaries? Correct answer is 1 crore. So 1 crore people in India have already benefited from the Ayushman Bharat scheme, and this scheme provides us 5 lakh rupee of health insurance for one family for 1 year. And remember, this scheme was launched from the Bijapur in Chhattisgarh by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And Ayushman Bharat Day we celebrate on the 13th of April. Even though the scheme was launched from Bijapur on 14th of April, which is the birthday of B.R. Ambedkar, but we celebrate 13th April is the Ayushman Bharat Day. And here the correct answer is 1 crore beneficiary have been benefited from this scheme. Who has become the new Prime Minister of Lesotho? Correct answer is Moketsu Majaro. So Moketsu Majaro has become the new Prime Minister of Lesotho, and Thomas Thabane has resigned from the post. Why? Because Thabane and his current wife are suspected of conspiracy to murder his former wife nearly 3 years ago. That's why he has resigned from the post. And here the correct answer is Moketsu Majaro, who has become the new Prime Minister of Lesotho, and Lesotho capital is Maseru, and currency is Lesotho Loti. Kevin Mayer has become the Chief Executive Officer of which platform? Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok. Correct answer is TikTok. So Kevin Mayer has become the Chief Executive Officer of popular platforms TikTok. And TikTok is owned by a company called ByteDance, and ByteDance is a parent company of TikTok. Talking about the so here the correct answer is TikTok. Kevin Mayer has become the CEO for this time. And talking about the Twitter CEO, who is the CEO of Twitter? It's Jack Dorsey. And for India, it's Manish Maheshwari. And Instagram, it's Adam Mosseri, and YouTube is Sujan Ojoski. So here the correct answer is TikTok. Kevin Mayer has become the CEO for the SAMS, and TikTok, which has become the popular platforms at this time. Researchers at which institutions have discovered new ways that can help prevent or reduce memory losses associated with Alzheimer's disease? Correct answer is IIT Guwahati. So the researcher has been done by the IIT Guwahati, which can help prevent or reduce the memory losses associated with Alzheimer's disease. And talking about the Guwahati, this time Philper Award was hosted in Guwahati. Otherwise, every time it was hosted in Mumbai, but for the first time, Philper Award was conducted in Guwahati. And third Khelo India Youth Games also hosted by the Guwahati. And in Guwahati, you will find the Kamakhya Temple. And here the correct answer is IIT Guwahati, who can IIT Guwahati has made this, who can help prevent or reduce the memory losses which is associated with Alzheimer's disease. Which state the everybody will get employment scheme? Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh state will launch the everybody will get employment scheme. Here the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh has also launched Sambal scheme, Uva Swabhiman Yojana. They have started giving the Karamveer medals to the police for their good work, as well as Sanjeevani vehicles, Jeevan Shakti, and recently one more Charan Paduka scheme for the migrant workers who has a no shoe as well as no sleepers. So these schemes was launched by the MP governments, and I have told you a study video also about this scheme. Me Annapurna initiative has been launched in which state? Correct answer is Maharashtra. So Me Annapurna initiative has been launched by the Maharashtra state, and Maharashtra and Gujarat both celebrate his foundation day. That means the 1st May is foundation day of Maharashtra as well as Gujarat both. And in Maharashtra, Mumbai Central Railway Station is now called Nana Shankar Seth Terminus. And Aurangabad Airport is Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj Airport. New name of the Aurangabad Airport is Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj Airport. And here the correct answer is Maharashtra, who has launched this initiative called Me Annapurna. Who has become the new vice chairman and chief economist of the World Bank Group? The name of that lady is Carmen Reinhardt. So Carmen Reinhardt has become the new vice chairman as well as chief economist of the World Bank Group. And she is from Cuba. Cuba capital is Havana. And she is from Harvard University. And it was announced by the World Bank president David Malpass. So who is the World Bank? The president of World Bank is David Malpass. And headquarters you will find in Washington DC. And here the correct answer is Carmen Reinhardt, who has become the new chairman and chief economist of the World Bank Group. Which state government has launched the startup fund to encourage the youth of the state for entrepreneurship? Correct answer is UP government. So Uttar Pradesh state government has launched the startup fund to encourage the youth of the state for entrepreneurship. And UP has launched also Corona Kavach mobile apps, Pravasi Rahat Mitra apps. All are launched by the UP government. Here the correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. A MOU, that means the Memorandum of Understanding, has been signed by which Maharashtrian company to set up a joint venture company for renewable energy business? NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, ONGC, that means the Oil Natural Gas Corporation, both. Correct answer is both. So an MOU has been signed by the NTPC Limited as well as ONGC to set up a joint venture company for renewable energy business. And this partnership will enable both companies to accelerate their mark in the field of renewable energy. And NTPC, who is the chairman and managing director, it's Gurdeep Singh, and ONGC, that means the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, it's Shashi Shankar. And two more company who got the Maharatna status recently, and one is the BPCL and second was PGCL, Power Grid Corporation India Limited. So BPCL, it's D Rajkumar is the chairman, and for the PGCL, the chairman is K Srikant. And here the correct answer is NTPC and ONGC, both company who will set up a joint venture company for the renewable energy business.